So, for tonight, siya daw magluluto. Mag-prep daw siya ng kanyang chicken stir fry. So, siya daw magluto ng chicken stir fry niya. With chicken stock. Oh, wow. Cooking show. Yeah, just add chili.
It's alright. Yeah, I'm still waiting on some sauces because I've got like soy sauce.
You ordered sauce.
So, got some chicken stock.
Gusto niya yung mga chicken basta galing sa healthy option. Asan yung ko dito? Wala na tong laman. Glutafit. Yung bagong bukas ko ng Glutafit. Magtitake ako ng Glutafit. Ito masipag talaga ito pagdating sa lutuan. Basta may time siya.
So I'm gonna just baby so you know that in the dish.
Na-chop niya na yung mga ingredients niya. Ready na siya magluto. Then ako, habang inaantay niya pa yung inaantay niya, magdidrink ko na ako ng ating Glutafit. Simple lang to sa pag-inom. Kuha ka lang ng isang capsule, talagay mo sa bunganga mo at iinumin mo. So, pwede kayo mag-take ng twice a day. So, kung feeling nyo umiitim kayo, gusto nyo bumalik yung skin nyo, mag-take kayo neto. Sobrang ganda nito mga madam. Tsaka, na to ha, may 11 ingredients, may oral sunblock, nakakaputi, nakaka-glowing, meron na rin siyang collagen, may glutathione, meron siyang sodium ascorbate, alpha-lipoic acid, lahat all-in-one na siya. Marami siya talagang vitamins. So, mag-check out kayo dyan. Sabi ko na naubos na pouch neto. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung iba nasa taas. Kasi naglalagay talaga ako neto sa room namin kasi maganda to inumin bago kayo matulog para mas maging mahimbing, mas maging masarap yung tulog nyo. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung mga ingredients niya. Halal na rin siya. O, diba? Perfect. Nanunod siya panlutuin. Alright. You were dancing. Raiden, do you like soy sauce? You have a lot of soy sauce. You know that? Toyo. Toyoin. Nagano po siya kung paano lutuin. Ito yung niregalo ko kay Papa P nung birthday niya. So, kararating lang ng box niya. Kasi, pinick up namin yun doon sa Singapore. Then, pinaship lang namin yung box. Tapos, dinala lang namin yung Foresight na simulators ng golf. Nanonood ako ng Avengers Endgame. Ooh, yum. Taste it. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, it's good.
You like that?
And this is your favorite stir fry.
I love this. That's my perfect stir fry, like a bit chili, not too much. And the chilies are big, so you don't have to eat them. They're big. See, they're like that. Can you see it?
Sarap.
The green ones are chopped because I can eat those, but you don't want a big red one. When that's cool. Oh, good.
Good job, really good. This is better than what you're ordering on the in the restaurant.
Correct.
And I like also chicken.
Because my chicken's really fresh and really nice, babe. Look how perfect.
Is this one healthy option? Right?
Look how perfect that chicken is. Perfectly cooked.
Really good. Yeah, you're good in cooking. But you just don't
I'm
have
good
time.
at standards. Like I know
Standard.
how to get.
Good quality.
No, just to cook it right, not you know. This is the best stir fry I've had in the Philippines.
This is your first attempt, right?
Yeah, this will get way better, babe.
This is good already. Sinipag siya ngayon luto. Ang sarap. Grabe. Kaya nga nung biro. Ang tama lang yung anghang. And it's spicy too.
Yeah, no spice.
Good job. Pwede ka na mag-asawa. You can get married na. In the Philippines, when you know how to cook, it means you're ready to settle down. Chef kiss.